Being out in nature is so healing. It's so restorative. And the sound of water is very grounding. I thought I would just share this tranquility with you. If you want to soften your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose and put your tongue on the roof of your mouth as you exhale. Feel the warmth of your breath as it leaves your body. And now, as you continue this breath cycle, notice anywhere in your body where you're holding tension or you have physical pain. And as you breathe through your nose, intentionally breathe into that tension or pain. And imagine that as you breathe out through your mouth, feeling the warmth of your breath leaving your body, so does the tension. It's important that we take time for ourselves to renew and to restore mind, body, spirit. So now, just relax into your breath. Just begin to relax into your natural breath cycle. Allow your mind to relax. If thoughts of the to-do list of the day begin to enter your mind, then just consciously take your right hand and, as though you're picking those thoughts out of your mind, touch your forehead and lay those thoughts aside. And if those thoughts are persistent, go back to noticing and beginning an intentional breath cycle until you can relax. And settle your mind. Focus on the sound of the water. And continue again to try to return to your natural, relaxed breath cycle. Meditation and clearing your mind is a practice. It's a discipline. It's a practice in controlling one's thoughts, emotions, and will, but we can. We haven't been adequately taught that we can control these things, but we can. And when you do, you gain better control in how you react to the things that you confront in your daily lives at work, family, kids. Meditation allows you to discipline your thoughts, to set aside, and you can use that same skill when you encounter stress. continue enjoying the sound of the water. And just let out a nice big sigh of relief. Thank your body and your mind for relaxing. Feel the effects of allowing your body to relax. Well, I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you have a blessed one. And this practice can happen multiple times a day. It doesn't have to just be in the morning or as you go to bed. Like I said, the more you practice meditating and controlling your thoughts and minds and emotions, learning that you can set them aside, learning that in times of stress you can take a stance of observation and not engage in other people's negativity that would like to draw you in for debates, arguments, who's right, who's wrong. So be blessed and share the love. And I'll leave you with some blue sky.